Hello my friends, my name is Vitaly and today I want to show you the creating tutorial for matching the shots. So I have here the clip from Arri, and here we have the screenshot from the Blade Runner 2049, and my task today is to match these shots. So I have this shot in my galleries, and if I enable compare images, I can swipe and have a look. So the first thing we see that we need to add the output blanking. So now it's okay. Even if I'll try the 39, now it's matching. And then I've created a bunch of grades, and if I enable them, I've got this look. And let's try to play it around. Now let's try to swipe our reference images, reference image off, and you see once again this is the before, and this is after. And I will show you how I did it. So in the first node, I call contrast. What I did is just added, decreased a little bit of contrast of the image. So maybe I will turn all the nodes off, and then I'll start to bring one by one. So in this node I just decreased I'll make it bigger. So you can see I just decreased the contrast. In the next node I added this kind of snow effect to the snow. So it was actually the power window, and then a couple of changes in the gamma. I shifted everything towards green blue tint, and then I added a little bit of blur. In the next node I added some kind of sky enhancement. You see, this was the before and then after. Just a bit of glow, a bit of gain for luminance, and a bit of red value added to it. Then I added an effect called glow, contrast pop, I'm sorry, it was contrast pop, yes. And this effect also took place only for this kind of window. In the next node I added the glow effect to the whole image. This is my settings for the glow. In the next I added the pop plugin, contrast pop, but I instead of popping I decreased the amount of contrast so I get some kind of haze here. Then I played a bit once again with the contrast. I increased it a little bit. And then in the next node I added the LUT. The LUT is called 3D LUT Film Lux D55 codec, but generally the main idea here is that I changed the hue in this step. So I pushed the blacks towards cyan green tint, and then I got more pop and change in colors. And then in the last node I desaturated everything in the middle. And after that we can compare the shots once again. So this is the before and this is after, and we can play it and we see that it's matching, not for 100% because this is a different scenes and different lighting, but in general they fit. I can also show it to you, like if I just change the clips. So this is the Blade Runner and this is our Arri shot. Blade Runner and Arri shot. Okay, thank you. See you next time.